So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to change password in TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. This is your home page. After that you should click on profile button. Then here 3 line at the top right side of your screen. Here you can click on settings and privacy. And you can click on account. You can click on password. And you can click your recent password. So here your password is changed. So it is very easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. Till then, bye bye, take care.